Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 3, Week 1, Day 4. Our topic for today is reading and interpreting data in horizontal and vertical bar graph. Activating prior knowledge. Discuss the answers to Assessment 3 to the learners. Here is the possible answers. What are the similarities and differences between a horizontal and vertical bar graph? Both bar graphs present the same data. They differ in the way the category labels are placed in the bar graph. What are the key points for choosing between a horizontal or vertical bar graph? A horizontal bar graph is best for data with long labels or many categories, while a vertical bar graph is best for data with short labels or when comparing values over time. Lesson Purpose Intention: to read and interpret data presented in a horizontal and vertical bar graph. Lesson Language Practice: everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Developing understanding of the key ideas STEM. Graph from the previous assessment. Ask the following questions about the graph. What is the graph about? It shows the favorite subject of grade 3 Ipil-Ipil learners. How do you know? The title of the graph tells you what it is about. The title of the graph gives you information about what the graph represents. What are the favorite subject of grade 3 Ipil-Ipil learners? The favorite subjects are Math, Science, English, Filipino, and History. How do we know that these are the favorite subjects? These are the categories shown in the graph. A horizontal bar graph, the categories are written vertically, while in a vertical bar graph, they are written horizontally. Which subject is most liked by the learners? Most learners like Math. How do you know what most learners like Math? Math has the longest bar among the 5 subjects. Which subjects are liked by the same number of learners? The answer is none. Why do you say so? Because there are no bars having the same height, indicating that no subjects are liked by the same number of learners. The category with the tallest or longest bar represent the highest number of learners. Conversely, the category with the shortest or smallest bar represents the least number of learners. If 2 or more categories have bars of equal heights, it means they are liked by the same numbers of learners. What does one bar represent? Each bar represents one learner. How many learners like history? There are 5 learners who like history. How do you know? The end of the bar tells you the number of learners. For history, it is 5. Which subject do more learners like, Science or English? Most learners like Science than English. How do you know? Science has a longer bar than English. How many more learners like science than English? One more learner likes science than English. How do we compare the data of the different categories? We compare the data by looking at the length, height of the bars. The longer, the taller the bar, the more learners like that subject. We can also compare the difference in the number of learners by seeing how much longer, taller, or shorter one bar is compared to another. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Look at the following horizontal bar graph. Answer the following questions. Study. The questions are given and the answers were also given. Making generalization and abstraction. To summarize the lesson, ask the learners the following question. What do we read if we want to know what the graph is all about? We read the title of the bar graph. How do we know what the categories are? We look at the category labels in the bar graph. It is written vertically for horizontal bar graphs and horizontally for vertical bar graphs. How can you tell which category has the greatest number without counting? It has the longest, tallest bar among the categories. How can you tell which category has the least number without counting? It has the shortest, smallest bar among the categories. How can you tell which categories have equal numbers without counting? They have the same length, height of bars. How do we compare the data of the different categories? We look at how shorter, smaller, or longer, taller the bars are. Two or more categories may have the same length or height of bar. Evaluating learning. At the school fair, grade 3, Camagong learners sold 4 types of fruits: apples, bananas, dalandans, and mangoes. The bar graph below show how many pieces of each fruit were sold. Answer the following question.